In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your new Garmin Descent Mk3 series dive computer watch. To get to your activity list, press the Start/Stop button. The Descent Mk3 series watch will have a preset list of activities that align with diving. However, the first time you open this menu, you can add additional activities. You can always scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add to select additional activities for your activities list. To start an activity, press the Start/Stop button. Once you acquire a GPS signal, press the Start/Stop button again to begin the activity. Here, you can scroll through your data fields while the activity is on. When you're done with your activity, press the Start/Stop button. Here, you can resume, discard, or save the activity. To begin a dive activity, select your correct dive activity type. The first screen will provide the dive settings for the dive type. You can press the up button to make any adjustments. Once GPS has been acquired, press the Start/Stop button. During a dive, once you have reached a depth of 1.2 meters or 4 feet, the activity timer will automatically start. Please note, during dive activities, the up button will be disabled. To view more data screens during your dive, press the down button. We recommend cleaning your watch after a water sport or dive activity. And that's it, your Garmin Descent Mk3 series watch is now set up. To learn more about your Descent Mk3 dive computer watch, please watch our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.